In the hard freezes 2 winters ago, my Celeste fig tree's trunk died in the cold. What grew looked like feeders. They had no branches, but did have small fruit, but never any large edible ones. Are these smaller branches growing from the rootstock and not the Celeste? How do I prune this fig to make it produce again? And this is from Scott. So Walter, we start with you. So what do you think?
Well, I would like to just address the pruning issue on it. They could cut it back. He cut it back down to about 1/3 of the plant left on the ground, and it'll come back. I mean, they'll grow. It's one thing about a fig tree; they will bounce back big time, or a fig bush, I guess. They will come back. And as far as the root stock deal, I was just recently told that they don't have root stock. Right. That they are the hybrid itself. So that takes care of that question.
Right, and we could bring in Mr. Tom on this because he has experience with this. So do share.
Well, the fact is, like when they do die back, and you can't hardly kill them. Right. They will come back and they will ultimately produce. It might just be a little patience, and also Celeste figs are small anyway.
Okay.
They don't get much bigger than maybe an inch. Unlike your black missions and your brown turkeys. So that's normal for them.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.